You know what? Let's end the year on the right note and in the right mood and bring some Christmas cheer in our lives. Charlene Davis, an empowerment coach and beauty expert, will be sharing a few pointers on how we can get in the Christmas mood. It is the right time to have this conversation. Charlene, good morning.
Good morning, Debbie. And good morning, Lou.
Hey, morning, Charlene. So, as Debbie said, we want to bring some good vibes, some good spirits, some good energy into December because, as we said, it's been a trying year. Past couple months has been tough. So, what do you say to the people who want some inspiration and a little oomph in this season?
All right. So, first of all, I would say, we get to accept that there's nothing wrong with not being in the Christmas spirit. This year has been trying, as you've said, to say the least. But if you do want to feel better and brighter, these things can still apply to you, even if you're not trying to be like in the Christmas spirit. But the first thing you need to do is decide. Make the decision that you're going to do your best to feel better and make it intentional. So I say start every morning with your gratitude journal. Get a beautiful book and just name it your gratitude journal. And you can just do 3 things that you're grateful for every day. Just being in the spirit of gratitude and thanksgiving, it just helps to lift your mood overall. And what I love about journaling is that there's something about the action of writing as opposed to like making a note in your phone that really lights up your brain. So your brain loves it when you write.
Charlene, a space that, most people now find comfort in and, relatability, engagement, etc. is online. And I know you just mentioned writing, but is social media a space where we could actually find some Christmas cheer, maybe?
Well, listen, I have been logging on to YouTube and watching Christmas movies. So there's YouTube for that. People can get overwhelmed with seeing what other people are doing and jump into comparison mode when they're on scrolling through Instagram or Facebook. So if you find that seeing other people's cheer makes you feel cheerful, then for sure, log on and scroll. But if you feel like you're getting into comparison and you're feeling lonely, then I would say, limit it and kind of just do your own thing and try to, from the inside, get in the chair.
Yeah.
And then
There's always the recommendation to focus on the good.
Yes,
Talk to me.
that's my next pointer.
Yeah.
Focus on the good. So I always say, if you have one good thing to focus on, you have plenty. So when you focus on the good, over time, you train your brain to actually look for more good things to be thankful for. So instead of focusing on how lonely you are, maybe you can focus on the fact that you're alive and well and healthy. And, you have a chance to create something new right now.
Absolutely. Now, Charlene, with some persons maybe spending Christmas by themselves this year, how can they find company, if they're lonely this year?
Well, Zoom has really taken off this year. We can have Zoom parties. That's always a good idea. And it really does give the same effect as if you had people around you. I mean, you might not be able to touch someone right now or be in the physical space, but just remembering and tapping into friendship, community, and just cheering on each other, it makes such a difference.
Yeah.
So,
Charlie, and I understand that part, but what is it that you are most looking forward to this holiday season that you may not have?
that I may not have. Well, all right. So I have family that lives abroad, and the traveling is just like a no nowadays. So they won't be able to come. So I would have been looking forward to having the rest of my family come in for Christmas, and that's one thing I might not have. What I do have is some family here already who I will get to see. So I am focusing on that.
Awesome.
Yeah, I know one thing I like to do at the holiday season is watch Christmas movies.
Yeah,
Yes,
Christmas
me
movies
too.
are always good.
Yes, I love a good Hallmark Christmas movie. And Hallmark and Lifetime have these movies going on all day, every day.
Yeah, man.
And then there's music. I mean, Mariah Carey, the Queen of Christmas.
Oh yeah, all I want for Christmas is you.
Exactly.
In fact, I hear that we have a video of you singing some Christmas carols. Let's take a look at it.
Glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinner reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise. Join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Yeah, man.
Woo!
Yes, man.
Local Destiny's Children. I love it.
Yeah, man. I love that.
Oh,
Thank you so
wow.
much, Charlene. You are amazing. Thanks for those tips. I'm sure, somebody out there will be using them to make themselves feel even better this Christmas season. Thank you for sharing them.
Yeah,
You're welcome, and have a Merry Christmas when it comes.
you too as well. That was empowerment
Thank
coach
you.
Charlene Davis. Let's be cheerful this Christmas season.
Yes.
We can smile. We'll be right back.